Come test drive this 2006 Infiniti G35. This two-door, four-passenger coupe still has fewer than 40,000 miles. Infiniti made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. It includes heated seats, leather upholstery, front and rear cup holders, power front seats, and air conditioning. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.